Hello everyone, welcome to another free Capstone project idea compilation presented by our team. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. What is Flutter? Flutter is a software development kit, SDK, for developing mobile applications developed by Google. It helps developers to create visually appealing user interfaces for devices running both Android and iOS. This programming language, Dart, was also developed by Google and serves as the foundation for Flutter. Using the hot reload function, developers may see the changes they have made to their code in real time, which is very useful when working with large datasets. This makes it very simple to make changes to the looks and functionality of your app. This is an e-commerce app that uses WooCommerce with Flutter. It allows you to manage your online store from your mobile device. You can create new products, manage orders, and view your sales reports. The project's success will benefit businesses and online retailers significantly. It will help them conduct day-to-day business operations and transactions more efficiently, especially when it comes to responding to client inquiries. The aforementioned program will increase business productivity and efficiency, as well as consumer satisfaction and satisfaction. They can effectively market their business and provide a platform for buyers to execute goods purchases quickly and efficiently. A smartphone quiz application that will allow users to test their knowledge on a variety of topics will be launched in the near future. It is planned to include a variety of various quiz categories, from which users will be able to select the ones that most appeal to them on their smartphones. In order to serve instructional purposes, this platform provides users with a visualized and interactive experience that is delivered in an application in the form of text or in multimedia formats such as images and animation, among other things. The guided drill is a piece of application software that asks users questions that they must answer in order to progress. The method taken by this platform is to develop an application that serves as a learning environment for users. All end users will benefit from this platform's educational capabilities. They will gain different knowledge in a different sector as a result of the fact that researchers would make it all about general understanding. Shoe Shop is an e-commerce program that allows customers to browse and purchase shoes from the comfort of their own homes through the use of a web browser. It carries a large assortment of shoes for men, women, and children of various ages and sizes, as well as accessories. An intuitive layout makes it easy for consumers to locate the shoes they are seeking for on this program. It also offers a choice of shoe sizes and colors from which to choose as well. Additionally, Shoe Shop has a simple checkout process that allows users to pay for their shoes with either credit or debit cards. Additionally, the service gives tracking information for each order, allowing users to keep track of their shipments at any time. This is an example of a furniture application store written in Flutter. It features a list of furniture pieces, and users can tap on a specific item to see more information about that item. They will be able to visualize the furniture's design and place an order for it right away with only a few clicks thanks to the program. The software will make the process of acquiring furniture simpler, faster, more convenient, and more cost-effective. Users may also provide comments and feedback on the furniture they've purchased through the app, which includes a feedback mechanism built in. Finally, the program gives real-time updates on the shipping process so that consumers are always aware of the status of their furniture, so avoiding any unpleasant surprises. A straightforward travel application that allows you to look for flights, hotels, and rental vehicles. Tourist attractions and tour operators can use the program to advertise and market their trip packages and services, allowing them to reach a larger number of clients. A search bar, a map view, and a list view are all included in the app. Travelers will no longer be required to physically go to travel agency in order to book their journeys. Instead, they will just download and install the program on their smartphones and create their own accounts. The application is intended solely for use by travel companies and individuals. At the moment, stores are still operated manually, and they have a physical location where their products are exhibited and where customers can visit. Orders are manually recorded by the proprietor and handed off to the customer. This procedure is somewhat inefficient and difficult for store owners to implement. The store also features a variety of activities, ranging from managing orders and customers to managing inventory, sales, and other management areas. Manually accomplishing all of this will take a long time and will cause the store's operations to sluggishly progress. In order for this company sector to thrive and assist store owners in streamlining the operation and management of their stores, there is an increased demand for innovative solutions. Using the Flutter framework and the Firebase platform, this is a patient health monitoring system. It enables people to enter their health information and track it over time in real time. Besides that, the system provides users with health-related insights and recommendations. Both parties will have easy access to the system under consideration. In the installed application on their mobile phones, the patient has the ability to determine their health or measure vital conditions by seeing or retrieving information about their health. This allows them to monitor their own health and vital conditions. Medical personnel also have access to and may readily check the health of their patients without putting them under undue stress or strain. This smartphone application is intended to assist people who are interested in adopting a pet and connecting with local animal shelters and rescue organizations. A searchable directory of animal shelters and rescue organizations, as well as information on pet adoption eligibility and procedures, are all included in the app's features. It also gives users the option to post images and tales about their adopted dogs, as well as discover information on how to care for new companion animals. The application will be tailored precisely to the needs of fruit grocery stores. The program will digitally revolutionize the procedure of purchasing fruits and vegetables at the grocery store. To use the program, end users would only need to browse for fruits and then add them to their carts or proceed through the checkout process. The end users will benefit from the application's convenience features. The procedure of purchasing fruits and vegetables will be simple, quick, and convenient. This mobile meal ordering application is a convenient method to keep track of all of your food deliveries. It can be used to place orders for food to be delivered or taken away from a restaurant. The app offers a list of eateries, menus, and the ability to track your orders. Doctor Appointment App is a smartphone application that assists you in scheduling appointments with your doctor. The software is especially beneficial for people who lead hectic lifestyles and find it difficult to schedule visits with their doctors. A very basic and user-friendly interface is provided by Doctor Appointment. The app requests information such as your name, the name of your doctor, and the day of the week you would want to visit the doctor. You can then select the sort of appointment you require, and Doctor Appointment will give you with a list of doctors that are available to assist you with the precise type of appointment you require. Invoicing is an app that helps you keep track of your expenses and sends invoices to your clients. A wide number of benefits and advantages are available to organizations of all sizes when using invoice apps. Some of the most significant advantages are as follows. Customer service and communication are improved, as is efficiency and production. Costs are lowered, and cash flow improves as a result of the improved organization. We will be redesigning the Instagram web interface using the Flutter framework. Our goals are to improve the overall usability and visual appeal of the interface, while staying true to the original design. The Movie mobile application is an iOS and Android application that allows users to watch movies and television episodes for free on their mobile devices. The app features a library of movies and television shows, as well as a search option that allows users to find movies and television shows based on the title, genre, or star who appears in the show or movie. A My Movies feature, which allows users to access their own personal movie library, as well as A My TV Shows feature, which allows users to access their own personal television show library, are also included in the app. The purpose of this paper is to describe the building of a messenger application using the Flutter platform. It will cover the various components of the development process, from the design of the user interface through the final deployment of the application, and will include examples. First and foremost, we'll take a look at the design of the messaging application's user interface. Following that, we'll go over the many features that the program will have, as well as how they were implemented. Finally, we will present the final result as well as the method through which it was implemented. Users will be able to connect with one another and share photographs, videos, and other types of material through the social media application in Flutter. Notifications, personal pages, and a news feed will all be included in the program, among other things. Thank you for watching. For more free Capstone projects, ideas, and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.